right, right in front of Matt's PK, you can park right there. What's up, guys? We just arrived to the meet. Something I just wanted to do today. They're hosting a tacos and beer meet with Sheepy Built and AO Rico from Speed Options. So we decided to come out, get a fun runs, as you guys seen in the beginning. You know, having some fun, man. So let's see what cars are out here before they start kicking cars out of here. What up, Papa?
It's good. Hey, I got those wrenches actually on me. If
Yeah,
you,
okay.
if you need them.
Yeah, I'll get them right now.
You still have lights?
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Got you. What color?
Where you guys gotta go?
Got you.
Wait, hold on. How much?
Which row?
I gotta hit up.
Orale. Well, where do I reach at, dog? Tell me real quick, huh?
Maybe. Oh shit! Wait, I gotta go back to do this. Big ass shadow, huh?
I know. I'm a big ass shadow in the car.
We got the homies. DC, Miguel, JD on front end, another JD on front end. Over there, one. They got the homie right here, Rico Suave. I'll PayPal you. I'll Zell you right now.
Okay, sure.
Then another Type R. Another EM1. BRZ over there. A couple other cars. CTR yellow EK. SI, S2000s. Another SI. I actually want to try to pick up 8th gen. I really want another one. I used to own one back then, and I really want to try to get another one as like just a cruiser, man. But once we get this house locked in, we'll get another project for the garage. So right now we're gonna actually head back across the street because they're kicking us our asses out of here. But we parked in the good spot.
That's a bitch ass cop.
Yep. And hey, and they're gonna be closing right now, anyways, dog. And they're gonna be closing.
Yeah,
all
they
these.
at 9 though, I think. That's when the meet's basically over.
Yeah.
That's fucked up, bro. This is like a bunch of Hondas and shit.
Alrighty, guys. So pretty much, guys, the meet is dying down. After the cops pretty much kicked everybody out, cars stayed for a little bit, and pretty much this is all that's really left. A bunch of the cars that you guys have already seen at other events, other little cars and coffees that we do. Just pretty much just chill, man. So we just been chilling here, same people, same thing. Right now my brother and me are all gonna probably head out and catch our rides back home and just see what happens, man. I mean, hopefully we make it home okay, so everything will go safe, and you know, it was good just to come out and just have fun. So when we get home, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I think we might have another car coming to the garage. I'm gonna verify tonight, and if I do, I'll give you guys a little bit of information on it, and we'll keep you guys posted on what it is. I think you guys are gonna like what's gonna come, if it does come. I just need to finish it for the homie because he's been lagging on it for the last couple, 5 years, 4 years or so, that we've been planning on getting things done with it and getting it put together. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see if everything plays out to play, and we'll see if we get that car here in the garage so we can do the work and put it together and get it back up and running again. So let's see where tonight leads on to. That is the reason why the meet pretty much died out. You can see people hauling ass, and it's just pretty much burnt here. So see you guys pretty much at home, guys. Fuck your ass up with your fucking $80,000 car.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it?